Designed by Tozo. USB-C. Nice. They have like a little magnetic click that when they go in, and then it shows that they're charging, and actually they're ready to connect because it's, and then it shows how much your battery is. So you want to connect them up. Your holes fit in your ear. Alright, so it came with these little, you can see these are like those chintzy ones. I don't like these personally. They feel good okay, or they feel okay right away, but then they make your ears hurt after a while. So let's try it. This is the left ear. Seems a little big. Too big? Okay, so that's the one that came on there. Standard, yep. And then I'm going to open the case up, and there's a whole bunch in there. So I kind of like, they have roundy ones, and they have like the kind of like, I don't know what you call that shape, like a donut shape. Yeah. So let's try the smaller roundy ones. These are the ones on there were the smaller donut shaped ones, but there's one more smaller. So let's see. Is it any better? Is it better? And there's one smaller. Let's see. Let's try it. That might feel better. That's better? Okay, so we're going to use the smallest size. Small ear holes. Yeah. It's what this says pairing. So go on your phone and go to Bluetooth. Tozo NC9. We put this one in. So it's connected, okay? And these are, so the NC9 stands for noise canceling. And so what it says, we did the pairing. Let's see. And now to turn it on, you hold, okay, to do noise cancellation, you press it once. So does it say anything? What did it say? So it goes from ANC. It's also a microphone, yeah. If you hold it, push it again. So if we do 3 times, it'll activate Siri. I thought so. Okay. Hey Siri. That's the left earbud. So right earbud. So if you hold it, it'll be volume down. So how loud is it? Real loud? On or off? What does it say? ANC off. So now you can hear me. Now what does it say? Speak through. What's this say? Transparency. So that means you can hear. It's like if you can hear me talking. Okay, now I'll do it again. And it should be ANC on. Is that what it said? Yes. So you gonna put some music on? Let's hear how they sound. Okay. That sound good? Okay. And then you can, so it's like surround sound. That's cool. You like them? Do they feel good? Are they comfortable? You can't hear me because you have the noise canceling. Mary has the noise canceling on, so she can't hear me. Here. Is it talk through now? Oh. Talk through. Now, can you hear me? Kind of? Yeah. Well, pause your music. Okay. Now, can you hear me okay? So, are they comfortable? Yeah. So, you can tell the noise canceling actually works because Mary couldn't hear me at all when she had the noise canceling on. And the music, yeah. And with them off, you can actually hear me, right? With it off. Cool. All right. Well, like I said, these are the Tozo NC9. They were how much? $50? Yeah, with a $5 coupon, so $45 on Amazon. You had good reviews. And yeah. Bye.